bought from an auction, great campaign, lots of people through, number of bidders here waiting for the auction to start. And it's Aaron's job now to get more money.
Very much got plenty of upside, and I see some of the friendly neighbours that have turned out in force as well. Sir, I confirm your offer at 580,000. Sincerely, good luck in your endeavours. Good luck to you. At 580,000, we're going to sell. Chance to have a little flurry. Okay, how are you?
600.
So that just cost them some money, but anyway, it's 600,000 out of it now. Good luck. Got two in at this stage at 600,000. Sir, what do you want to do? Do you want to get back? You want to? But it's 600.
16.
610. Thank you on the advance now at 610. Navigated the strategy, but it was a good one. But it's 610,000 out of it now. You can fight fire with fire at 620 if you want to.
615.
615, okay. Put 10,000 with the gentleman here on my right. What's?
620.
Oh, in unison. I got it first though. At 620. Last chance.
21.
And 21.
625.
25 puts up 582 million, one of my favourite numbers at 625. No idea who's.
We do 626.
Certainly can.
626.
626. 626. We've got to fight for good property this location. At 626.
630.
630 puts up the 40. Ooh, yeah. At 630. You've hit off everyone else at this stage, sir, at 6-3. First call, 630. Twice, trace, and a revocable time at 630. And it's going. It's going. It is. Inder, do it again. Sold to you, sir. Well done. Good on you. That's my commiseration.
Sincerely thank Inder and the team in Harcourt. I'm only happy when it's sold. But yeah, I just, very professional right from the beginning, and that's how I end up, going with him, because I knew that it's going to happen and it's going to help me. So very pleased, and my family will be very pleased, and